this is the kitchen area. Very nice. I doubt we'll hardly use it, but it's here. And then as you come in, there's also the bathroom to the right. Nothing spectacular, like the jog, shower, looks cute, lovely stuff. And then we have the huge living room ready for dining table, TV, and the best part is this view. You can view the stadium. It's actually quite sad that there isn't going to be a football game because we could have watched it for semi-free, but nevertheless. There's also like a shopping centre, I believe, and other little bits and bobs and things, so that's nice. And so this is the downstairs, and then my favourite part is up here. I love it. Oh my gosh, it feels so much higher than it actually is. Bedroom and it overlooks the living room.
Where's St. Patrick?
That's actually true. They say this is the living room. I love it. My airport OOTD, what I wear on the flight. So, leggings are the mini flare from Lululemon. We also have the Lululemon Define jacket. This is the cropped in the black on black. We have this like tank top, which is really nice because it doesn't require a bra, from TikTok shop actually. And then I have some Nike Vomero. We're going to a beach club and I'm excited because I love a beach club. And it's about a 40-minute walk, but we're going to take the metro. We're going to take the metro. Waiting for the tram to go to the beach. We kind of don't know what we're doing with these metro cards, but we're figuring it out.
Who's we?
We're kind of finessing it.
Who's we?
It's not as straightforward as an Oyster card.
Who
but
is we?
We're working towards it, and the tram is coming in approximately 0 minutes.
Look the wrong way.
No, it is this way, no? Oh, wrong way. Whoops. Whoops. For what feels like
45 minutes.
Feels like an hour.
No
food. Walked on the strip, no food, or no decent food that we liked.
Like you said,
and then he said he found somewhere, but it doesn't exist. So I'm like, do you know what? Let's just have some Burger King, call it a day, because I'm hungry. Oh wait, let me show you. This was meant to be a place filled with street food. Nothing there. Now we've been walking, it's dark. Oh yeah, look at that, crazy. And this is mine.
It's nice and nice.
It does look nice, doesn't it? Even it's looking good. It's officially day 1 in Valencia, our first full day, and we have so many fun things planned. We're going to the aquarium. I can't remember exactly what the place is called, but it's a super popular place in Valencia. And then we actually found out there's going to be a game today, and as you know, our apartment kind of overlooks the stadium, so like, why not? It makes absolutely no sense not to go. Now I know absolutely nothing about football. I don't know the rules. All I know is that they kick a ball for 30 minutes, Lord have mercy, 90 minutes. But I'm just there to be supportive. My boyfriend wants to go, so I'm like, cool, let's go, let's do this. It doesn't make sense not to go. OOTD. So my sunglasses are Ray-Ban. My dress is from ASOS. It's actually the ASOS brand. I'm also wearing some Sambas, as you can see. And then I'm also rocking my Celine small Boston bag. I also have my Fujifilm instant camera, which is, I love this thing, but it's so big and bulky and it doesn't fit in my bag. So I'm gonna have to hold this as well, but it's absolutely fine. But I just want something very casual and easy because it's gonna be a very busy day and I'm super excited. Change of plan. It's not going to be as much of a busy day as I thought. So as you know, we want to go to the football game that's happening. But unfortunately, we're struggling to get the tickets because in order to verify, you need a Spanish number, which we don't have. So instead, we have to get the tickets from the box office. We went down to the box office and unfortunately, it's not open. So we did ask somebody locally and they said that it opens at 2 p.m. It's currently 12. So if we decide to go and do the activity first that we were going to do and then come back, it's just too tight for timing and we don't want to rush. I don't remember exactly the name of the place we were going to go to, but it's really beautiful. And I think there's multiple activities that you can do. One of which is the aquarium. It has a really nice, I think, park area, if I'm not making that up. But yeah, sadly, we just have to move that to a different day. And he said, who the hell? Oh, how do I open this? Did he get it? He's in. That was my boyfriend trying to get in because I have the key. But yeah, change of plan, which is fine, but it also means that I have to change my outfit because this is kind of too much to wear, I think, to a football game. So I'm gonna just wear something a bit more casual. Probably not gonna take the Celine bag because there's no need, but that's so far the update. So we're finally gonna get our tickets, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. And then after, we're going to get a burger. And it's the same burger we had yesterday, but the burger we had yesterday was super raw. So we're gonna get it medium, no, well done. So I'm super excited to eat. And this is where the game will be, right at our doorstep. So, oh, and I also changed my fit. I had to change the fit because it was a bit too much to get to football. So I'm just wearing casual dress. This is actually from Shein, cheap and cheerful. We've got the Sanders. And then I'm wearing my Lululemon fanny pack. I should wear it across my waist, but it looks a bit weird with this dress. And then I've also got my instant Fuji film. I'll show them what you want. First football game was a success. I didn't know what was going on, but I love the energy, I love the vibes. We did draw. That's not bad, it's better than losing. But now I'm mad hungry. I don't know what this area is called, but basically we're walking around, taking in the scenic views. It's so sunny. Wait, we're allowed to cross like this. It's so sunny and beautiful, and we're loving it. I feel like it's slightly more, I don't know, modern, would you say?
Just better design, better layout.
Yeah, look, better design. Thank you.
Enjoy, but
Oh, yours looks a bit sad. Change of plan. What's this place called? The pizza. Right, it's called the pizza because we didn't reserve 100, which is really sad. So we've had to opt for something else. I've got egg carbonara, and he's got a Caesar salad, which looks a bit dry. But we've got no choice. It's 9 o'clock. I'm hungry.